we have subtraction of algebraic fractions. How we do subtraction of algebraic fractions? The same like subtraction of fractions. It means we need to have the same denominator. So let's see what we have here, 20, 12 and 4. So the least common denominator will be 16, because 60 is divisible by 20, 12 and 4, and this is the smallest number. So now let me copy first our 3 algebraic fractions. We have 3n plus 5 over 20 minus 1 minus 2n over 12 minus n over 4. Like I said, this common denominator will be 60. So let's see what we have here. We have only 20, so we need to multiply this 20 by 3. So the same I have to do with the numerator. When I multiply the numerator, I have to multiply numerator by the same number. So now we will have 3n plus 5 times 3. So 3n times 3 is 9n, and 5 times 3 is 15, minus, and in the second fraction we need to have the same denominator, 60, and we have only 12, so we need to multiply 12 times 5 to get 60. And when I multiply denominator by 5, I have to multiply numerator by 5. So now we have to 1 minus n multiplying by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Negative 2n times 5 is negative 10n. And we have minus, the numerator is the same, 60. We have only 4 at the beginning, so we have to multiply 4 by 15 to get 60. When I multiply the numerator by 15, I have to multiply numerator by the same number. So we have now n times 15 is 15n over 60. Now when we have the same denominator, we just copy the denominator, and we have to go from the left side, we have to subtract the numerators. So we have 9n plus 15 minus, because we have minus, so we have to put in parentheses this whole expression. So we have 5 minus 10n, and we have minus 15n. So this is equal 9n plus 15. We have negative sign before parentheses, so we have to change the sign inside the parentheses. So it will be positive, so now it will be negative 5. Negative, so it will be positive 10n, and we have negative 15n over 60. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 9n, 10n, so this is 19n minus 15n, so this is 4n, and we have 15 minus 5 is 10n over 60. Now we can factorize 2 in the numerator, so it will be 2n plus 5. Of course we don't have here n, just 10, because 15 minus 5 is 10. And in the denominator we have 60. So the greatest common factor for 2 and 60 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 60 divided by 2 is 30. So we will have 1 times 2n plus 5 is 2n plus 5 over 30. This is my solution.